Are you a student or fresher wanting to become a business analyst? Most of you are confused about what to learn first, right? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start your BA journey today. A business analyst or BA help business figure out what they need and works with technology teams to make it happen. Think of it like this. Imagine a bank wants to create an online application. The BA job is to understand exactly what the customer needs, write clear requirements, and work with developers and testers to make sure the application works correctly. Okay, so you don't need to code, but you do need to understand process and communicate clearly, right? So why choose BA as a career? It's very high demand in IT and banking. Companies are always looking for good BAs. Entry level friendly, you can start even without prior IT experience. Career growth potential from junior BA to senior roles or product manager. Practical skills, you learn tools, documentation, and process that are valuable everywhere. Here is what you can do today and to start your BA journey. So learn basic BA concept like user stories, process map, SDLC, and Agile. Watch this video series daily. I'm going to post all required videos to become a business analyst from scratch to advanced. So each video is short, practical, and beginner friendly. Practice practice a small example. Write down a process you see every day, like how your college library shows books, and try to document it like a BA would. Even this small practice gives you a real taste of BA work. Okay, why you want to become a BA? That's another question, right? Uh, so this channel will guide you step by step how you can become a BA, like tutorials and real project examples, mock interviews, resume tips and templates, and also daily shorts to learn tips quickly. So if you follow this journey by end of 100 days, I'm going to take a 100-day challenge. So end of 100 days, you will be ready to start applying for a BA roles confidently. So follow this channel and comment day one complete and tag a friend who wants to become a business analyst. Let's start your journey together from zero to job ready step by step. Okay. So remember, the journey of 1,000 miles start with this first step. Let's take it today.